What if the universe was even stranger than we could ever imagine? What if invisible forces were pulling us toward places we can't even see? Today, you're about to uncover cosmic secrets that will challenge everything you thought you knew. If you love exploring the enigmas of space and time, hit that subscribe button now and join us on this journey, because what comes next will keep you awake at night. When most people think of black holes, they imagine cosmic monsters sitting still, sucking in everything around them like eternal vacuum cleaners. But the truth is far more terrifying. Black holes don't stay in one place. They move. They roam across space like silent predators, drifting through galaxies with no warning. In our very own Milky Way, astronomers have already detected black holes of colossal mass. One of them holds the weight of 32,000 suns crushed into a single point. Now picture that giant sliding across the galaxy at hundreds of thousands of miles per hour. Invisible, unstoppable, with an appetite that never ends. And here's the most chilling part. Some of these wandering beasts could be moving toward us right now. We can't see them, we can't stop them. All we can do is hope their path doesn't cross ours. But if you think that's unsettling, wait until you hear what the universe is really made of. Look up at the night sky. Billions of stars, planets, and galaxies. It feels like so much, doesn't it? But here's the chilling truth. Everything we can see makes up only 4% of the universe. The other 96% is a mystery, dark matter and dark energy. These invisible forces shape the fate of everything. They push galaxies, control their formation, and even dictate how the universe expands. Yet we don't know what they are, we can't touch them, can't detect them directly. It's like trying to solve a cosmic puzzle when almost all the pieces are missing. And here's the kicker. The observable universe, what we can see with our most powerful telescopes, is just a fraction of what's really out there. Beyond our reach may lie something infinite, something beyond imagination. But before you drift too far into that abyss, remember this. Compared to the cosmos, we are almost nothing. Earth feels huge to us. Traveling from one continent to another already seems like a massive journey. But when we look at the cosmic scale, our planet is nothing more than a speck of dust floating in the void. The sun, which looks infinite to our eyes, could swallow more than 1 million Earths inside it. Jupiter, the gas giant, is so massive its gravity shapes the orbits of countless asteroids around it. And yet, our sun is just an ordinary star among hundreds of billions inside the Milky Way. Now take a deep breath. The Milky Way itself is only one out of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. So every time we look up at the night sky, we're not staring at greatness. We're only seeing a single grain of sand on an endless beach. But when it comes to galaxies, not all of them coexist peacefully. Some of them are predators. If you think cannibalism only belongs in horror movies, think again. In space, it happens on a monstrous scale. Larger galaxies literally devour smaller ones. This phenomenon is called galactic cannibalism. One of the most chilling examples is our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. It has already swallowed a smaller galaxy, as if it were nothing more than a cosmic snack. But what's truly unsettling is what's coming next. In just a few billion years, Andromeda is set to collide with our own Milky Way. When that happens, stars will be thrown into chaotic new paths. Entire solar systems may be destroyed, and who knows what will become of Earth. But if that sounds terrifying, just wait until you hear about a mysterious cosmic force that's already at work and no one can explain it. In 2008, scientists discovered something that left everyone stunned. Hundreds of galaxies are moving together, as if being pulled by an invisible force. We're talking about more than 800 galaxies, racing at nearly 1,000 kilometers per second, heading toward a region beyond the observable universe. This strange phenomenon was named dark flow. To this day, no one knows what causes it. Some suggest it could be the effect of another universe brushing against ours. Others believe it might be the result of dimensions we can't yet comprehend. What we do know is this: entire clusters of galaxies appear to be dragged by something unseen, something that defies the very laws of physics as we know them. But if the structure of the universe is already this bizarre, it leads to the most haunting question of all. Are we really alone out here? This might just be the biggest question of all. In a universe so vast, it feels almost impossible that life could have appeared only here, on this tiny blue planet. The Fermi paradox puts it simply: if life is so likely, then why haven't we found solid evidence of extraterrestrials? Some scientists believe life could be hiding, or maybe it's just too rare. Others suggest that advanced civilizations might have no interest in us, or perhaps they're already watching, silently. There are even theories that aliens could be living among us in forms we can't recognize. The silence of the universe can be terrifying, but it might also hold the key to humanity's future. Because if we are truly alone, the weight of all this mystery falls on us. But if we're not, then what does that mean for our destiny? These are just 6 of the most disturbing mysteries of the cosmos, and each one of them, on its own, could turn our entire understanding upside down. Now, I want to know, which of these enigmas left you the most intrigued? Do you believe we're truly alone, or that alien life might already be among us? Don't just watch, be part of the discovery. Subscribe now to Universal Mysteries and share this video with anyone who loves exploring the secrets of the universe. Because in the end, maybe the greatest mystery of all is why we're here.